Are you leaving one team to go to another? Heading out on an extended leave? Can't make a meeting you normally host and want to give someone else ownership to move it, but not everyone on the invite? Transfer ownership of an event in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Google Calendar event. Let's get started. In Calendar, open an event that you own and that you'd like to transfer. Click on More Actions, Change Owner. Type the name of the new owner and put in an optional note. They will get an email with a link to confirm taking ownership of the event. So there you have it. Transfer ownership of a calendar event in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.